Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Today's video is going to be a haul video and it is specifically for my corporate girlies. Now even I have a 9 to 5 job and I do get bored of wearing the same kind of clothes over and over again. I do try to experiment, but every now and then I like to switch things up a bit. So here I am with a few different options, are vibrant but not too loud. We'll go with your neutral bottoms. By neutral I mean beige and black bottoms are all that you need to pair these tops. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Now before I begin with this workwear haul, I just wanted to show you a couple of things that I found helpful. So the first thing is this underarm roll on, and it is from this brand Body Wise. I absolutely love how magical this is. It somehow has this very long lasting fragrance. You might go for a very sweaty workout, or you're wearing this throughout the day. It keeps you fresh somehow, and I've tested this for a couple of weeks now, so I thought I should mention it to you guys. Maybe you can try this out. I'll have the link in the description. The second thing that I want to show you is this bag, and this is a sling bag. It's a party sling bag from Accessorize London, and I got it from Myntra itself. So I wanted to show it to you because it's so stunning, first of all. So this is really a good investment, I would say, if you're looking for a party wear sling bag that has a lot of space and it looks stylish at the same time. You can try this out. It is very high quality. The strap, it has an adjustable buckle and the color is very pretty. This is how it looks. I love the texture and the gold hardware. It has a very sturdy buckle in front, and the metallic fixtures are really sturdy. So it's very high quality. So I feel like this is a very good purchase. I'll have the link again in the description for you guys. Okay, now beginning with our actual haul. So starting off, when it comes to office wear, a few colors always comes to our mind: whites, navy. So this is a very nice option that you can have, especially for summer months. And because of the V design, you can also opt to wear this during the autumn winter months as a layering piece. You can wear it under a coat or a shrug. So yeah, this is how it looks. It has really pretty buttons in the front, and the back is simple. This is how the back looks. Very office appropriate, I feel. It's in size small. It fits me perfectly. So this is how it looks. I'll have the links in the description. Okay, moving on to another piece, a really bright one, I would say. So this is the top. It's from this brand Chemistry. It's a very popular brand. I got it at a very discounted price. This is how the top looks. Again, it's in V cut. I like deep V designs that are not too deep, but then they have a nice definite structured V design in the front. This is how the top looks from the front. It has a little bit of collar, and the back is plain, pretty simple, and it will go again with your black and beige trousers pretty well. So it's like a nice piece to have, a nice color to add to your work wardrobe. So this is how it looks. Okay, moving on to another bright, colorful option that you can have is this mustard top. Again, it's from Chemistry. It has a very pretty, detail in the front. You can pair it up with a black midi skirt if you are comfortable wearing a skirt, or you can also pair it up with your black or beige bottoms. So this is how it looks. It's very, very pretty. The design sits so well. Again, it's in sleeveless. The back is simple. This is how the back looks. It's lightweight, and by the way, all of these tops are in small size. This is again from the brand Chemistry, again at a very discounted price. So this is how the top looks. I just love the color, and especially the design. The front looks so pretty. It's just adding so much character to the look, and the entire top has something more to offer, and it's not at all boring but not too loud and on the face as well. So this is how the top looks. Okay, moving on to the next top, and it's again a navy blue option. It's in full sleeve. Again, a very nice V design in the front. It has a gold button. So this is how the top looks. Again, the sleeves runs like this. This again is from the brand Chemistry. The color is so pretty and the fabric is lightweight. It's a bit shiny. Again, it will go well with your beige bottoms and your black bottoms. So guys, that's all that I picked up from Myntra for work this time, and there were a few vibrant options that you might find helpful. Now I'm going to show you a few neutral basics that I got from Myntra itself, but from the brand H&M. So this is a nice pink color. It's upside down. You can wear this to your gym, etc., or you're running errands, or you can just lounge around at home. So this is kind of an option that you can have. So there's this top. It's a very pretty white square neck top, and it runs a little oversized for me. So this is how the top looks. It has a square neck. It's not pure white, it's more like a creamy white color. The fabric is so soft. I absolutely love the top. You can wear it with your jeans and you can tuck this in, so you can always pair a low-rise bootcut jeans along with this long line top tucked in, and it will look so fabulous. It will look very classy, I promise. So this is how the top looks. Another basic white tee, nothing fancy, but a basic that you can have, which is of a very good quality and it's affordable at the same time. So something that you can wear at home, or you can wear for your gym workout, etc. So this is another option. Alright guys, that's all that I have for this video. Let me know what you guys think, and leave a comment. All the links will be in the description, so you can check it out if you liked anything, and leave a like if you like this video, and subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.